Hello everybody, just thought I'd do a quick video here, show you how to replace the water filter in this refrigerator. I've got my new one here. You can see right there, there's the part number for the filter. This is a Zuma filter. I've bought several of these over the years and they do the job. Water tastes good and they're way cheaper than you would pay for the Samsung filter at Lowe's. I don't remember exactly what I paid for them. But anyways, I'm going to show you how to change this thing out real quick. Really easy job. First, you open the door to your fridge. Now in mine, this top rack slides because you'll need room to get it out. But you just reach in here. You can see it has on here unlock and lock. See if you can see that. Unlock and lock. And you just grab it and twist it towards the unlock. You have a little bit of drips, of course. You can take your old one, throw it in the sink, let it drain. Now I gotta open the other one. I'll probably need 2 hands for this. Yeah, I'll need 2 hands to take the plastic off. Be right back. Now we got the new filter out of the package. Make sure your O-rings are in the right spot. Make sure the O-rings come off the old one. It didn't stick in the refrigerator. They stayed on. Now you take your new one. Push it up in the hole. Turn it to lock it. Hear the water filling up? That's it. That's all it is to it. Thanks for watching. More to come later.